In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an animation from your slides in your Canva presentation. So I have an animation that's put into this first slide. If you can see, I'm going to show you here. So if I present the slide and then present, as you can see, there's a presentation or there's an animation that happens when the slide enters and when the slide leaves as well. And I want to remove this animation, so just click on the slide that you want to remove the animation from, and then click on animate. This animate should be colored because you have an animation going on, and you'll see that you have chosen an animation here. So just click on remove all animations at the bottom, and that should remove the animation from your slide. And now if you try it, it's just going to appear and go without an animation. And that's how you can remove an animation from a slide in your Canva presentation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.